So, you're looking to buy a cool hat, but it's got a flat bill and you only wear curved hats. Don't pass it up just because you don't know how to shape it. Today, I'm going to teach you how to put a little curve in that hat you really wanted. This is by far the easiest method to help shape your new hat. Ahem. Eyes over here, boys. And what did you think was on that table anyway? Grab the baseball cap, bend the brim over so it looks like a taco, and put it securely into your favorite coffee cup. Leave it overnight, and when you wake up in the morning, just like magic, your hat now has a beautiful curve. Grab the brim and start to shape it however you like to create your customized look. You can continue working the curve with your hands throughout the day while you are wearing it and breaking it in. Pro tip: if you don't have a coffee mug, you can do the same thing with a soup can, or really anything cylindrical and a couple of rubber bands. See, was that so hard? So the next time you are in the store looking at that perfect hat without a curve, you can confidently say that you are a master curvologist.